let's begin. This is 2014 question 1. Oh, that was my fault. The diagram below shows a rectangular sheet of paper with sides of length 6/8. Each sheet is cut in half along the dotted line to form A, B, C and D. Is the area of the rectangular piece A equal to, what does that say? I have a blank off here. Is equal to the area of the
G.
Triangular piece. Triangular piece D. What do you think, Paul?
Yeah.
Why?
Rather than by the.
You can say, you can do it like this. The area of B equals what? Length by width. So the 4 by
6,
which equals
24.
24. Okay? And then you can say the area of D. Area of D is what? You can take this down while you're here. Area D is?
24.
Yeah, but it's a half base by height, yeah?
Yeah.
So the base is 8. So it's a half 8 times 6, because the area of a triangle is a half base times height, which will get me 24. They're both the same height. Is that okay? Both the same height. Oh, sorry, both the same size. Okay. I had it done properly here. No. Draw all the axes of symmetry of the following rectangle. How do you do that? Axis of symmetry.
Down side.
1,
2. Cross.
2. Huh? No, only for a square, not for a rectangle. It won't fold perfectly on top of each other. So there's only 2. Is that okay? Now, this is question 6 now, yeah? Question 6. Jump straight to 6 because the rest of them are stats questions, aren't they?
Yeah.
So question 6, Charlie? Question 6, yeah. Now, plot the following points on the diagram. Where's tree 1 located, lads? Tree 1? Where's it located?
Tree across 1 up.
Tree across 1 up, yeah. After that, what's the next one? 0, 4.
Yeah, 0, 4.
Is big, and after that, which is here, that's C. Now, what do those 2 lines mean? Slash AC, what does that mean? Nope.
The line is the angle AC.
Nope. The distance from A to C. You use the distance formula. x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Okay. Starting off with A and C, what's x1, y1, x2, y2? So A to C, guys. Call this one x1, y1, call the other one x2. That's for A to C. It's the square root of, what's x2? Minus 2. Minus x1. What's x1? 3. And then what's y2? Minus 1. And what's y1? Minus 1. And what we get there is the square root of 29. And the square root of 29 is root 29. The square root of 29 is square root of 29. Anybody have a number on that? 5 point something?
0.3.
5 5.38, which rounds off to about 5.4. Okay. Now we're doing the length of B to C. How did you do the length of B to C?
It's X.
Same thing, isn't it? That's x2, y2, or you could call that x1, y1. And then B is x2, y2. And what you get now? Square root of
X2, which is
x2,
0.
0, yeah, minus x1,
Which is
3, plus y2 minus y1, 4 minus 1 squared. What do we get this time? Oh, wait a second. Wrong ones.
Yeah.
Then wrong ones. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to put that there. It's my fault. Look. Go again. Ready? Okay, let's try this again. x2 is minus 2. x1
0.
minus 0. y2 is minus 1. y1
4.
minus 4. Okay, so it's just minus 4 there. Okay, square it out and you get the square root of 29. And we're asked to show that the same. So that's square root of 29, which is 5 points. They're both the same. Show that the length of AC is the same as B to C. Are we right with that? Did anyone get that right? Completely right? Next one. What type of triangle is ABC? If there's a triangle and two of the lengths are the same length, what type of triangle is it? Huh? Isosceles. An equilateral is when all three sides are the same length. D is the midpoint of AB. Find the coordinates of D. What's the midpoint formula? Does anybody know? Where'd you find the midpoint formula? Sorry? Tables. Will ever say for the midpoint formula? So there's a midpoint formula. What does it say for the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 over 2 and?
y1 plus y2 over 2.
Okay. Where do we get the points for, where do we get our x1, y1 value and our x2, y2 value? What is the point A and B? Somebody call that point A for me? What's point A?
3, 1.
A is 3, 1. And what's B?
0, 4.
0, 4. Okay. Call one of them x1, y1, and call the other one x2, y2. Add them together. What's x1 plus x2? 0 plus 3 over 2. And what's y1 plus y2? 1 plus 4 over 2. You're right, Paul. So it's going to be 3 over 2 and 5 over 2. That's your midpoint. Or, stay focused, or you can write it as 1.5 and 2.5. Okay? Draw the line C to D on the diagram. Draw the line C to D. Okay, let's go back. Now, we said we wanted the midpoint of A to C, didn't we? So what did we say it was? 2.5 and sorry, A to B, 1.5, 2.5. 1.5, 2.5. There. Do you think that's dead centre of the 2 points? Just rub it out. Is it dead centre of the the red dot and the purple dot,
Yeah.
which was A and
Yeah.
B. So that is line D, isn't it? And what does it want me to do? Draw D to
C.
C. Draw D to C. D to C. There we are there. Everybody happy enough with that? D to C. Okay. So, drawing D to C. Next thing. Show that the triangles ADC and BDC are congruent. What does congruent mean? Exact same length. So I want you to show that this triangle is the same as this one here. Okay. So let's write down, we'll do it up here. Triangle BDC, and what's the other triangle? ADC. Yeah. Now, Charlie,
Yeah.
I'm going to say the line CD is in both triangles, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I can start off with CD equals C to D. Would you agree with that? So that is a side. Okay? And the reason, does it ask me for reasons as well? Just, yeah, you'd have to give a reason. What's the reason? It's a common side. Both triangles contain the same side. So what we say is a common side. Okay, so we'll say common side. Okay, why can't I say BD is the same length as AD? Why is BD the same length as AD?
Because
Could you say they're vertically opposite?
Huh?
Could you say they're vertically opposite?
No, that's only for angles. Is D not the midpoint?
yeah,
So therefore it has to be
it's the same.
it has to be the same length. So BD equals BD equals AD. Now, okay, we have two of the sides are the same. Now, oh, we did this earlier in part 1. We proved that AC is the same length as BC. So BC equals the same length as AC, and you say prove it in part 1. Okay, so you get all this info. Oh dear me. You get all that information there. Group it, cut it, and you bring it down here, and lo and behold, that's your answer. Okay, you show that all three sides are the same. Okay, and then you say SSS because I've proved that all three sides are the same length, and you say triangle BDC and triangle ADC. What does congruent mean again? Okay. Congruent. Okay. Good with that? Alright. Question 8. Question 8. On a reality TV show, contestants have to perform tasks on an island.
Right, it's great. You skip 7.
7 is probability question. They are given a map of the island shown below. 2 points A and B are marked with an X on the map. The contestants are told that treasure is buried on the island at a point T. T is 20 kilometers from B and 20 kilometers from A. The map is drawn from a scale of 1 centimetre to 5 kilometres. What does that mean? 1 centimetre is worth. On the map, how far is T from point A? Okay. So, if 1 centimetre equals 5 kilometres, how long is 20 kilometres going to be? 4 centimetres, because it's 4 times bigger. So 4 centimetres. Are we alright with that? Using a compass, construct the point T on the map. Label the point T. Now I have to be really careful with this because I have to make sure my scale is right. Can somebody tell me how far are A and B separated by using your ruler? How much?
It's like 2.7.
2.7 centimetres?
Yeah.
Is that right? Okay, I will make this slightly larger. So around that, 2.7ish?
Yeah.
Okay, now it says that the point T is 20 kilometres away. 20 kilometres being roughly 4 centimetres, yeah? And it's 4 centimetres away from both of them, yeah? So what I can do is this: I get my compass out, and what I do is I set it to 4 centimetres. You can find it. There we are there. And what I do is I draw a line that's 4 centimetres away from point A. Is everybody happy with that? Every point on that red line is 4 centimetres away from A. Would you agree with that?
Yeah.
And then I go to the other side and I get it on, I go to B, and we know that it's also 20 kilometres away from B. So I draw another arc here. And this point here has to be T, because it's 4 centimetres away from B, and it's also 4 centimetres away from A, which is 20 kilometres. Are we alright with that? Okay. Good. Done. Measure the distance from point T to base camp on your map, and hence find the actual distance in kilometres from the point T to the base camp. So, I have to get back out my ruler. I just had it there a second ago, didn't I? Must undo that. See if I can get my ruler back. How did I get rid of the ruler? Ah, there it is. Okay, ready? And point T is there. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tilt the ruler up and measure. So, how far is it away? Anybody?
3.
Sorry, 1 sec. Oh, to base camp. Where's base camp?
It's over to the right.
Oh, I see it there. Okay, let's go again. What do you think? 3.6, 3.5?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you guys get? You don't know.
I know.
Should I really just write your
What you get?
Say 3.5 only.
Uh,
If you said 3.5.
3.5 or 3.6, you're grand. There's no punishment with that. Okay, so I'm 3.6 centimetres away from base camp. How much is that in kilometres though? How much is 1 centimetre worth to the end? 1 centimetre is 5 kilometres, isn't that right? So multiply it by 5 and what do we get?
18.
18 kilometres.
The width, yeah.
Yeah, you're alright. The contestants find the treasure at 1300 hours. What time is 1300 hours? 1 o'clock. And return to base camp immediately. If they walk with an average speed of 6 kilometres an hour, what time did they reach base camp at? 18 kilometres divided by 6 kilometres per hour. I'm doing time equals distance. Why does it keep doing that? Time equals distance over speed. Everybody happy enough with that? Everybody remember distance over speed?
Is it 4?
Huh?
Is it, you arrived at 4?
What'd you say?
Would you arrive at 4?
Yeah, it's 3 hours. It takes 3 hours, but it's 3 hours added on to 1 o'clock. So 3 hours added on to 1 o'clock is 1600 hours or 4 p.m. You okay with that? 1600 hours or 4 p.m. Okay.
I got 16 hours and 20 minutes, so I got 1620.
Okay, so you got a slightly different
Yeah.
distance.
Why do you get 20 minutes?
He might have had a different distance than me.
Oh, okay,
20 long.
Yeah. So that's on to you there.
Yeah.
Oh, it wasn't 20 kilometers. So you're taking that from part A. That's the time taken to go from point A to point T, not from the base camp to T. So that'd be wrong. Okay, guys. Question 9. The box, yeah. The net of the box. Everybody remember this?
Okay.
Yeah. What happens is the box is unravelled, and it's unravelled into different parts. Okay. So what we're looking at here is, can anybody tell me what length A is?
10 meters?
A is 10. Anybody want to tell me what B is?
4.
4. Anybody want to tell me what C is? 3. Because you fold it up. And we know that C would be the C would be this one here. This part here would be the equivalent of this edge here. And then where is B? This blue edge here would be this part here. Alright? Now, the most you get that? Yeah? Okay. Find the surface area of the tank. What do we mean by surface area? What do we mean by area?
Area is just like the kind of.
That side and the one behind it. There's 6 sides, isn't there?
Yeah.
So you have to find the area of each side. So the area of the base. The area of this one is that's 10 by 3, which is 30. The one above it is 10 by 4, which is 40. The one below that will be 40.
And then.
The one below that 30. The one to the right 4 by 3. 12, and the other one to the side 12, and you got to show yourself adding them all together. So it's 40 plus 40 plus 12
200.
plus 12. What you get, Aaron?
224.
What you get?
224? Is it?
224? Yeah. 164 meters
Oh, yes.
squared. Okay. Did we not just do that? We did. Have to find the volume of the tank then. The volume? So I already found this here.
Oh, so it's 164
64 meters squared.
It says no here.
We have to get volumes.
Yeah, equals 1,000 liters. So
Yeah, now volume's a different kettle of fish. Volume is length by width by height. And what's the length again? 10.
So it's 10 by 3 by 4.
4 by 3 or 3 by 4. 3 by 4, you're right. What is 10 by 3 by 4? 120 meters cubes. Now, It's 120 meters cubed. What's that in liters?
1,200.
No, we need to multiply it by 1,000.
Oh.
1 meters cubed is 1,000 liters. So multiply that number by 1,000.
120,000.
120,000 liters. Are we alright with that? Okay. The tank is filled with water to a depth of 0.5 centimeters. Or sorry, 0.50 centimeters, which is the same as 0.5 meters, yeah? Now we're going to do a little trick here. How tall is the tank usually? How tall is this tank usually?
4.
It's usually 4 tall, isn't it? So we can fill it as far up as 4, but we're only going to fill it half a meter, aren't we? How many times does a half a meter go into 4?
4 times.
An 8. 8 times. It goes in 8 times, doesn't it? This means that this whole thing is only filled up 1/8 of the way. Does that make sense? It's only filled up half a meter. It can go as high as 4 meters. It means that we're only filled 1/8 of our capacity. So when we go back to the last question, we can just get 1/8 of 120,000 liters. And what do we get there? 1/8 of 120,000 liters? 15,000 liters. You okay with that? Okay. I think that's me for today. What questions did I manage